Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my tube once more. My small project of the day. What should I say? Let me start off by saying 2008 Acura MDX. Wife drove the car, came home, tried to start it again. Hey, car would not start for nothing. No crank, none of that stuff. But she just came from the store, pulled into the driveway, attempt to move the car one more time, and the car refused to turn over. Did my little diagnose, and I decided I was gonna go with the starter after checking all the fuses. I realized that all my fuses was good, so I decided, hey, let me go get that starter. It was the starter. See this? This is the ground wire on the starter unit that burnt out, completely burnt out. Let's talk about, see that? Just got my replacement, and this is what it's supposed to look like. Okay, 2008 Acura MDX. This particular starter is located right below your battery, so you have to take out your battery and you will figure the rest out. There's other videos on YouTube that will show you how to go about that. Leave me a feedback, leave me a comment. Have a good day.